I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can see your first or your oldest friend on Facebook. So to see the person who I first added on Facebook, what I need to do is I need to click the menu at the bottom right, and from over here at the top, you can see the setting icon. Click on it. I'm over here. Scroll all the way down until I see this option called Activity Log. From Activity Log, I need to click on this option called Connections. And from inside Connections, I can see this option called Manage Friends. I need to click and Manage Friends. And over here, it's going to show me all the people which I have added. And what I just need to do is scroll all the way down at the bottom until the end to see who is the first person I added. And as you guys can see, the last option says Kevin Ritchie removed. I've been up as friend. Kevin Ritchie, send message. Junior, a friend request. Kevin, send. So as you guys can see, the first person I added as a friend was this person called Whitefellow. Kevin Ritchie accepted Whitefellow's friend request. All the other message at the bottom was just me sending friend request, but the person Whitefellow accepted it. So that is basically how I know that he was the first person I added on my Facebook. Because at the bottom, there is no more new messages, so the latest person is Whitefellow. So by coming over here, you just need to scroll and see who was the first person to accept your friend request, or if they send you the friend request, and you accepted it, that basically means you have added them as a friend. But yeah, that is how we guys can see your first / your oldest friend on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.